our rabbit. Look at our favorite rabbit. An elephant rabbit, of course. And it finished eating. Right, Fluffy? Welcome, Fluffy, the elephant rabbit. And it's abandoned. And that's Fluffy, the rabbit. But say hi to your favorite person, kitten. It's Bastianda, lady cat person kitten. And it's Fluffy, the white rabbit. And it's Fluffy, the elephant rabbit. Oh no! And let's begin the show. Hello everyone. So today we are gonna unbox this cage, of course. So I'm in Philippines, of course. So if you're wondering, so let's just do the Tagalog version. So guys, ito yung si Fluffy. Ito siya kasi ang cute niya. Diba Fluffy? Una-una, tinitignan niya tayo. Look at the camera. Tignan niyo to. Diba ang cute niya? Maamo pa. Pat, pat, pat. Mamaya, next time yun si Fluffy. Huwag nyo lang kasi hawakan yung tenga nila tuwing gano'n. Tingnan mo, naglalag mata niya. So guys, this is Fluffy and it's so cute. Ito siya, tsaka mahihiga siya. Oo, nahiga na fully. Tingnan sa camera, Fluffy. Hindi siya nangangagato, hindi din siya nagagalit. So guys, di ba alam mo na yung mga favorite food ng mga rabbit ay carrot. Babae ito Maamo to. So guys, ganito tayo. Saglit. Pakita ko yung dito. Sa Philippines tayo Tignan niyo. So, this is the ilong. Yung buntot nila, Floss yung tagal mo. So, pwede nyo ito i-translate sa USA. Kasi ganon. Kasi si caption dun sa YouTube. Binigay lang to ng kay klase ko. Okay, that's all. Bye-bye, guys. Pew!